In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or delete listing on VRBO 5 minutes. We'll walk through how to temporarily remove your property from search or take it down for longer, and what to do if you truly want it gone from the platform. For the smoothest experience, do this on a computer so the menus and tabs are easy to find. Start by signing into your VRBO account. Once you're in, head to your owner dashboard. From there, choose the specific listing you want to take off the market. This ensures you're adjusting settings for the right property, especially if you manage more than one. Open the Property tab, then select Property Details. In this area, look for the Listing Status section. Here you'll see options to hide or pause your listing. Hide removes it from search and booking until you bring it back. Pause is great if you want a temporary break. You'll be asked to choose a reason, and if you're pausing a duration, pick the option that matches your situation. If you expect to return soon, pausing with a set end date can save you a step later. Follow the prompts on screen. VRBO may ask for a reason to help improve their service and to make sure you're not missing a setting that better fits your needs. When you're ready, click Continue, then confirm by selecting OK, hide my listing. That locks in the change, and your property will no longer appear to travelers during the period you've chosen. Now, an important note, VRBO doesn't truly let you delete an individual listing on its own. If you need the listing completely removed from your account, the route is to delete the entire account. Only proceed if you're sure you won't need access to your messages, payouts, history, or any other listings. To delete your account, click your profile in the top navigation. Choose My Profile, then go to Security and Settings. Scroll to find Delete Account. Select a reason when prompted, review what deletion means for your data and any active reservations, and confirm. This is permanent, so double check that you've saved anything you might need later. That's it. You now know how to hide or pause a VRBO listing for flexibility, and how to fully remove your presence by deleting your account if necessary. Take a moment to verify the status in your dashboard, and when you're ready, you can always return and make your listing visible again.